Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Hot dogs. Who doesn't like hot dogs? Most of the world does. Tell me this bad boy doesn't look appetizing. In order to do that, you might need a machine like that. This is Hot Dog Steamer from Royal Catering. The housing is all stainless steel, special hardened glass on the front, so you don't need to worry about breaking it. It also has this nice old school sort of American vintage look to it, which presents itself nice in a cinema or a hot dog stand on an open air festival. This is where you put the water in, just like so, and there's a tap to drain it. So all you have to do now is put your sausages inside, nice and even. There you go. And by the way, the tongs are included, all right? So now close the door, turn the machine, turn the machine on, set the temperature on high just to heat them up, and afterwards just turn it down to 70, which is the beginning of the safe zone. There's also one more indicator. This will light up if there's not enough water, so you just need to refill it. It takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes to heat it up. How it works, basically there's a heating element on the bottom. With the power of 2000 watts, it heats up the water is steaming, and it's heating the sausages and steaming the buns at the same time. So, after that, the hot dogs are ready to serve. If you're interested in this one, you might also find it interesting to look at the website and check other equipment regarding hot dogs. So there's roller grills, hot dog steamers, spit toasters and alike, so just feel free to check it out. Once you finish your service, it's actually a cool feature to it. The cleaning of it is fairly easy as well, because all the elements are removable. So you can just simply disassemble it, wash it in a dishwasher or by hand, put it back in, steam it up. This will sterilize it and the device is ready to go. So let's just quickly summarize it. Quite powerful machine, 2000 watts. It fits 50 buns and 200 hot dogs and has a nice vintage look to it. In my book, definitely good enough. Should you order this machine, it will come in a huge box like this with lots of styrofoam and packaging material in it, so nothing will break in its transport. Along with the box and the styrofoam, the producer also gives you a 3-year warranty. So should anything break while you have it, it really shouldn't, but if it does, you can send it back, they'll fix it for you and you get it back in no time and you can serve hot dogs again. So, if you like the video, just leave us a comment in the comment section, let me know what other equipment you would like to see and I will film it for you. So thank you very much guys for watching and I see you next time.